Alright, I'm Marina with Deako Smart Lighting, and we're here at the International Builders Show. I'm going to show you our modular light switches. So essentially, we made a modular light switch. We took a light switch and we cut it in half. And so you can take off this faceplate, pull out this regular light switch, and you can install something like a simple dimmer. And you don't have to call an electrician, you don't have to schedule anything, you just come out, pull this off, and take it out. So we made lots of different types of products, smart products and simple products. You can install a motion sensor, for instance, plug it right in, snap this faceplate on here, and you're good to go. We also made smart products that work with Google Home, Amazon Alexa. You can control them remotely. And you can do all this, you can future-proof the home that you're building very easily and make an upgradable system. We make back plates, so we go up to 5 gangs, and then we also make the different types of switches, and then obviously a faceplate that is the same size gang that you have, so up to 5.